Rabindranath Tagore described the Taj Mahal as a teardrop on the cheek of eternity. The Taj Mahal is known as the most brilliant achievement among the funeral monuments all around the world. It's the history of Taj Mahal that adds a soul to its magnificence, a soul that is filled with love, loss, remorse, and love again. It is also the epitome of Mughal art and one of the most famous buildings in the world. According to history, the construction of Taj Mahal was commenced in December year 1631 by Shah Jahan in the memory of his beloved third wife, Mumtaz Mahal, who died while giving birth to their 14th child. Masons, stonecutters, inlayers, carvers, painters, calligraphers, dome builders and other artisans were requisitioned from the whole of the empire and also from Central Asia and Iran, and it took approximately 22 years, 22,000 laborers and 1,000 elephants to build what we see today. Finally, in 1653 the construction completed at a cost estimated at the time to be around 32 million rupees. Even after the popular history, Taj Mahal, like any historic fort, has many secret passages and rooms. There are many rooms in the fort or tomb. These are supposedly kept closed since the time of Shah Jahan. These doorways have been sealed with brick and lime. There are some facts about these hidden doors in Taj Mahal which raises the finger towards the history of Taj Mahal and whether Shah Jahan actually created this beautiful monument. Presenting some of the mysterious facts behind the sealed doors of Taj Mahal. Number 1. Original rooms and foundations that existed have been hidden and crudely covered up away from the public gaze. In a secret red stone story immediately below the marble, the platform is one of the 22 riverside rooms. Note Shah Jahan has crudely walled up a doorway with unplastered bricks. This crude blocking is Shah Jahan grand building work. Such imperial Mughal vandalism lies hidden from the public. This room is in the red stone story immediately below the marble platform. Is it just a plain cover-up of original temple and a conspiracy covered up by the Archaeological Survey of India? Number 2. A secret story below hiding in excess of 1089 rooms. These arches along the eastern side of the plinth are an indication of the row upon row of rooms total 1089 that lie hidden inside the marble plinth. Closely scrutinize how the arches and the rectangular ventilators above have been sealed with marble slabs of different sizes and tints. These 7 arches enclose stairs which lead to the top of the marble plinth symmetrically from right to left and lead to hundreds of rooms enclosed behind the sealed arches. Number 3. Locked first floor rooms. These are the rooms on the first floor of the marble structure of the Taj Mahal. The 2 staircases leading to this upper floor are kept locked and barred since Shah Jahan's time. The floor and the marble walls of such upper floor rooms can be seen in the picture to have been stripped of its marble panels. Shah Jahan used that uprooted marble from the upper floor for constructing graves and engraving the Quran because he did not know where from to procure marble matching the splendor of the rest of the Taj Mahal. Number 4. Riverside view of Mumtaz's grave. Most people content to see Mumtaz's grave inside the Taj fail to go to the rear riverside. This is the riverside view. From here, one may notice that the 4-storied marble structure on top has below it 2 more stories in red stone. Note the window aperture in the left. That indicates that there are rooms inside. Inside the row of arches in the upper part of the wall are 22 rooms. In addition to the 4 stories in marble, this one shows red stone arches in the 5th story. The 6th story lies in the plinth in the lower portion of the photo. Number 5.22 rooms below with Hindu paintwork. A corner of one of the rooms in the secret story immediately below the marble platform of the Taj Mahal. Note the strips of Hindu paint on the wall. Shah Jahan has crudely walled the ventilator at the left, meant for air and light from the riverside up. He did not bother even to plaster them. Had Shah Jahan built the Taj as a mausoleum, what was the purpose of 22 rooms? And why are they kept locked and hidden from the public? There is huge ventilator in the 22 rooms, in a secret story of the Taj Mahal, which are crudely sealed with unplastered bricks by Shah Jahan. Number 6. Hindu design painted on the ceiling of rooms. This is esoteric. Hindu design is painted on the ceiling of some of the 22 locked rooms in the secret story below the marble platform of the Taj Mahal in Agra. Had Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal, he would not have kept such elaborately painted rooms, sealed and barred to the public. Even now one can enter these rooms only if one can influence the archaeology department to remove the locks. 7. The corridor below the marble platform with Hindu design. On the inner flank of the 22 locked rooms. In the secret story, in red stone below the marble, the platform is this corridor about 12 feet broad and 300 feet long. Note the scallop design at the base of the plinth supporting the arches. This is Hindu decoration, which enables one to identify even a bare plinth as Hindu. The corridor is pitch dark because Shah Jahan has sealed all the riverside ventilators allowing light and air. So, these were few secrets of hidden doors of Taj Mahal, which are needed to study. From the depth and actual truth need to be explored. Don't kill your curiosity, and visit the place and experience the place with so many hidden secrets behind. If you like this video, hit like button and share your opinion in comment box. Thanks for watching video. Please show your support for growing our community. Like and share this video.